butternut squash and kale inside the Italian sausage. I put it in the pan, added a little bit of water, drizzled olive oil on top, added salt and pepper, and now I'm just letting it simmer on medium heat. I wonder what I'm going to cook with this. Should I add some red potatoes? With green beans and some black-eyed peas and maybe stems and pieces of mushrooms. I decided on the Italian cut green beans with black-eyed peas and stems and pieces of mushrooms, with some red potatoes. While the sausage is cooking, I'm going to drink a cup of coffee. I washed the potatoes and now I'm letting them dry. I just now added a bit of Italian seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit more. Just a little bit. It's blowing around. It's going to be good. I peeled off all the blemishes and the different growth and stuff like that. And there it is. I'll take that and put that in the compost pot. Sausages are cooking. The potatoes are sliced into small chunks. I added a little bit of water. And then put the potatoes in with the sausages. I've added enough water to cover the potatoes. Now I've turned the heat up a little bit and I'm going to let the potatoes cook along with the sausage. Onto the compost we go. Woo! Look at that. Look at that, look at that. Onto the compost. Bringing it to a boil to help cook those potatoes. I drained the liquid from the green beans, the black-eyed peas, and the mushrooms. The sausages were moved to the outside perimeter so the potatoes could be in the center where most of the heat is, so they can boil and cook. It smells so good. After letting the potatoes cook for a while, I tested them to make sure they were soft enough. And then I went ahead and added the mushrooms, the black-eyed peas, and the green beans on top. Added a little more water. So I'm just going to let them sit and simmer and cook for a while. Doesn't this look good? Stirred it around for a little bit, let it cook a little bit longer. Tested it and I think it's ready to go. I'm going to put it in the bowls. Ooh, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Looks good, doesn't it? Alright. Time to chow down. What do you think?